visit the Factory of Happiness. I'm so excited.
See you at the Factory of Happiness.
We are very happy, and it gives us immense joy and pride to welcome you all to our Factory of Happiness.
Wow, this is so grand. Just look at those big machines. This is as behind the scene as it gets.
Just look at the massive assembly line and use of robotics. This is surely a state-of-the-art facility with best-in-class technology. We always use these products in our day-to-day life, but a thought about how they are actually made efficient never crossed my mind.
So guys, I just found out that these refrigerators can keep food fresh up to 30 days. I mean, can you even believe it? And as a chef, fresh ingredients are the prerequisite to make all my recipes. I can't even put into words how amazing this feels. All these products are designed keeping the consumer needs in mind.
I've heard about Tata's legacy for as long as I can remember, but today at Voltas Beko, I finally understand why it is one of the most trusted brands. They don't let anything go to waste, like cabinet and door scrap from the refrigerator line is regranulated and reused, which helps in overall reduction in energy consumption. The commitment to sustainability is truly remarkable.
Seeing so many women work on ground zero at this factory has been really such a proud feeling. Do you know 70% workforce at this factory are women? Also, the safety measures are so strict that it really shows that they really care for their employees.
Let us also introduce you to the team that makes all this possible at the Factory of Happiness.
लोग बोलते हैं कि कंपनी में कैसा काम होगा, क्यों होगा, लड़कियों को कैसे रखते होंगे, लेकिन इस फैक्ट्री में बहुत अच्छे से रखते हैं लड़कियों को, रिस्पेक्ट भी करते हैं लड़कियों की। हम नाइट शिफ्ट करते हैं, फिर भी हमें कुछ डर नहीं लगता क्योंकि नाइट शिफ्ट में भी लड़कियों के लिए फुल सेफ्टी है।
So, do you know why this is called the Factory of Happiness?
Because they understand what we need and literally make our wishes come true through their customer first and innovative approach.
The employees here make it the happiest workplace. As a mom, I'm super cautious about what products I bring into my home. After seeing that these products are tested by real moms like me, I have got even more trust in Voltas Beko products. Because what is made here is the reason for happiness for lakhs of people like me. I have seen it and now I completely trust it.
At Voltas Beko, our mission is to be your partners of everyday happiness by bringing trust, transparency and joy into your homes. We are committed to making you believe in the authenticity of our products through our very own Factory of Happiness.